Today we are doing green apple salad in 10 minutes. So for this you need two green apples. That's around 500 grams. 1/10 of an onion or around 50 grams of onion. Half lemon. And for some green chili, one fourth green chili, salt, sugar, olive oil. Either you can use agave or sugar.
Sure.
And then for garnishing, you need some coriander and rose petals. Rose petals are optional basically. Let's get into the process. First, wash and cut apples. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay.
Cool. Now we have apples.
And yeah, this is more than. Don't use more onion. You just need little. You just need little onion. Don't add more onion. Chop it finely. I think this much onion should be enough. Just 1/10 of onion compared to apples. Chop up some coriander, and we are ready to mix up everything. Yeah, so
Now what?
now just mix up everything. Coriander. Then 1 spoon of green chilies or 1/4 green chilies. I always make green chili paste, so I use this. And then juice of half lemon. This is probably too big. And 1 spoon of salt and either agave or sugar for sweetness. And add this one. That's optional, of course. And add some oil, 2 spoons of oil. Okay, and then mix. And see the taste, and then you can adjust accordingly. Yep.